Howdy y'all, welcome back to another video. Today we have a slime review of PeachyBBies. This one is kind of like a purpley slime review. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, it really helps the channel out, and I hope you guys enjoy. So first we have Fluffy Fruit Dip, Lavender Cow, someone actually asked me to review this one, as well as Lavender Dreams. And then just for fun, I got Peachy's Gamer Fluff Cake. So to get started, let's go ahead and start with Lavender Cow, since that was the one that somebody asked me to look at. I love how adorable this is. I like the different colors. I do wish that they kept the charms on the outside, but this is pretty normal for PeachyBBies. And it came with an adorable little cow. All right, look at all the different colors. And it looks like maybe some sprinkles in clouds. Ooh, it's definitely like a light, like soothing lavender smell. Like it doesn't smell like cleaner. It smells like an essential oil or like something just really soothing. I love how the colors like mix together. Ooh, it's super soft. Super nice. Let's see. We have a little bit of fallout on my hands, which usually you'll get with a snow or a cloud texture. You can see some underneath my nails. The table isn't too bad though, so there's not much on the table, so that's good. It's not falling out like that. It does feel like it fluffs up quite a bit. It's not too packed. Oh, it's super dreamy, wow. It feels like really moisturizing in the hands. I'm really curious what their recipe was for this. Wow, very nice and drizzly. I really like this one. Thank you to whoever is the one who recommended me trying this one, Lavender Cow. It's super cute. I didn't think I would like the smell, but it's like really soothing. Like if you went to a not a salon, but like a massage parlor or, you know, like a medical spa type of place. Oh, and it's very, very fluffy. Very soft drizzles. I recommend this one, y'all. You know, I'm going to give it to you straight. And this one was really nice. Lavender Cow. Definitely recommend this one. Next up, let's try Lavender Dreams. This is a Bingsu Floam mix. It's really pretty. Like, look at there's like a pigmented, like sparkle in there. We have some little stars and moons. Oh, we got a little guy hiding in here. One issue with having everything inside, I think it's supposed to be like a bubbly cloud or something. You can't tell because it's covered in slime. I bet this is going to be super poppy. The sparkle's really pretty. I do have to reactivate this one just a little bit. I've had this one for a little while, so I'm not surprised by this. It is a clear slime, so I'm not surprised that after sitting for a little while, it ended up being a little bit deactivated. So. Oh, it's so pretty. Wow. It almost looks like clouds. There you go. Now you can see some of that stretch. You can definitely bring slimes back if they've gone, you know, and deactivated. Don't be discouraged to use activator. Don't throw your slime away just because, you know, it's sticky and it's turned back into glue. Just look at how stretchy this is now, and it's fluffing up really pretty. Smell. It's also super soothing. It's slightly different than Lavender Cow though. But it's very subtle. So this as well as Lavender Cow aren't super, what do you call it? They're not really strong scents. So if you don't care for strong scents, then these could be for you. We're working around the shadows today. Oh, I really like this one. It's like the big sister of New Year, New Slime by Dream Glow, because it has bigger foam beads. Like the foam balls are just larger. So I feel like that makes it where bigger air pockets can come through. It's not too sticky, which is really nice. So definitely not a coated clear, but definitely nice. I like whenever a Bingsu can get nice and fluffy and it's not too sticky. So let's see, let's do a press test. Ah, I really like this one. I definitely recommend Lavender Dreams. It's just really pretty. The Bingsus are like this purpley green iridescence. It's not sticky when you activate it. It's not sticky when you fluff it up, which is really nice. Like you can see, I mean, this is full of bubbles and it's not like ultra sticky. So definitely recommend this one, y'all. Super cute. Highly recommend Lavender Dreams. Thank you so much for the person who told me to try these two out. These are probably some of the top ones I've tried from PeachyBBies. So next we have, let's do Gamer Fluff Cake. This is another cloud, but it's kind of like a mix between blues and purples. And this is why I got it. Look at how adorable these little controllers are. This one would be cuter if it wasn't covered in fluff. But yes. And then you got some nice little stars. Oh, it's so soft. Ooh, it kind of smells like sweet. Almost like a cotton candy. It feels like an icy. I don't know if it's an icy or a cloud slime that has just been sitting. Oh no, this feels like a cloud, like a wet cloud. Let me add some activator. Oh yeah, this definitely feels more like a cloud. So if you've never seen a cloud slime start to deactivate, because it has snow in it, it can start to feel like an icy slime. And a way to revive it is to put activator, as well as even if you have some fresh snow. Oh, it's so soft. You can hear that nice cloud slime. Still a quality cloud after sitting. Beautiful color. I'm very partial to purples and blues, if y'all didn't notice. I wonder if it's poppy now that it's deactivated a bit. Oh yeah. I'm gonna laugh if it ended up being an icy and it's just very... It's poppy, y'all. How crazy. It just keeps getting better. So there is some fallout. You can see on my hands, there's some snow. So if you don't like that, it doesn't stick to my desk. So that's nice. That's usually how I can tell if I like a icy or cloud, is whether or not when I'm playing with it, not that if it has a bunch of fallout, but if it has a bunch of fallout and then starts sticking to my desk. That's like one of the worst things to me. But still super dreamy drizzles. I definitely recommend this one as well. I will say though that fallout wise, Gamer Fluff had more like on my hands than Lavender Cow. So, and this one also has like a nice like cotton candy, like soft cotton candy smell, not super annoying, obnoxious. So, very beautiful. I definitely recommend this one as well. It does have like a residue feeling on the hands though. That's why I thought maybe it was an icy, because my other PeachyBBies icy had a residue as well. last but not least, we have fluffy fruit dip. I think my little pieces like fell all the way to the bottom. Oh, that's an interesting smell. Almost like a vanilla yogurt almost. Oh, the top feels, it's like a butter slime. Oh yeah. Our fruits. Whoa, the fruits are huge. See, this is what I'm saying. I don't like when they put the charms inside, because now if I try to take this little guy out, he's covered in slime. But he's huge. All right, let's see. Let's take a look again. So it looks like it was filled pretty well. One of the problems I've had in the past with PeachyBBies is that they underfill sometimes their slimes, but these all were not underfilled, so that's nice. This is very soft. Butter slime consistency. It has giant chunks of fruit charms in there. I've got like an orange. I saw a raspberry earlier. We got a blueberry. Oh no, that's a blackberry. Blackberry. It's just not as fun that that they're all stuck in the slime. So like I can't see it very well. I think this one's supposed to be a strawberry. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Do you like when they put the charms on the inside automatically? I would have rather liked to play with it without the charms in there automatically. I wonder if this would fluff up at all. You can see the texture. Kind of looks like whipped cream or icing. If I'm being honest, I feel like the giant fruits kind of make it where you end up not having enough slime on the inside. Like I almost feel like it needs to be just a little bit larger for me to really get it fluffed up. It doesn't feel like it's a inflating kind of slime, but just to get that nice whipped texture, I wish some of these fruits weren't in there and instead was slime, so that I could really get it going, because I feel like it's kind of cheating putting the giant fruit on the inside. Yeah, putting giant fruit charms inside. Well, we lost one, y'all. Because then you don't have to put as much slime. Yeah, I don't know. I think it would have been a cool thing too to be able to like, actually like dip them into the slime in the beginning and not have to like make a mess trying to get the slime, get the charms out. Just my opinion. Very soft. Not too heavy of a butter slime. Boop. And I guess I'll find the raspberry later. Not bad, but not my favorite out of all of them. All right, so for the slime summary, definitely my favorite would have to be Lavender Dreams for the crunchy. I absolutely loved like how it inflates and it really wasn't that sticky at all. I liked the bigger foam beads along with the Bingsu. I felt like I got more air in there more quickly and I got a good pop. So definitely Lavender Dreams. And then Lavender Cow is really, really nice. Very soothing scent. I don't like lavender and I liked this. Does that tell you anything? Like it's a nice scent. It's not too intense. Very, very soothing. So these two are definite favorites from this. Gamer Fluff was not bad, but I think you should pass on Fruit Dip just because I feel like you just don't get enough slime. Just because those big charms are in there. It's a cute idea, but I don't like the charms already in there and then you get less slime. So definitely would pass on Fruit Dip, but Gamer Fluff was very good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really, really helps the channel out. And I love that we're growing each and every day. Please let me know if there's any other PeachyBBies slimes that you'd like to see in future videos. As well as don't forget to donate to the Slime Fund if you would like to try and help us out when it comes to purchasing new slimes to review. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.